Looking for the best storefront strike for your next installation? Here are the 5 things you need to know about Camden's incredible 1379 strike. Number 1. Designed for storefront applications, narrow-style aluminum doors are used on many retail storefronts and demand a low-profile electric strike that is Grade 1 rated and designed for high-traffic applications. Camden 1379 strike is the new standard for storefront strike performance and value. Number 2. Equivalent to Adams Wright 7100 series, Camden's 1379 storefront strike is designed to the same exacting specifications as the Adams Wright 7100 model. The same Grade 1 performance, same UL 1034 and UL 294 listings, and the 1379 even fits the same size cutout in the door frame. Number 3. The value leader. The market-leading performance of Camden's 1379 strike is matched with a price that is 20% less than the Adams Wright 7100. That price advantage means that you put $40 or $50 in your back pocket every time you install a 1379 strike. Number 4. One Camden 1379 model replaces 6 7100 models. Like all Camden electric strikes, our 1379 storefront strike is a universal model, which means the 1379 offers dual voltage, is selectable fail-safe or fail-secure, and includes multiple faceplates. You'd have to stock as many as 6 Adams Wright 7100 models to match that flexibility. Number 5. A better warranty. Both Camden CX-ED1379 and the Adams Wright 7100 have the same 5-year warranty. But only the 1379 strike is supported by our Camden Tough no-hassle replacement warranty. For more information about this market-leading Camden product, please visit our website or contact our customer service department.